ọ̀rọ̀ ikú tó pa mohbad ti fẹ́ bá bòmíì yọ o. Ó ti ń jọ wípé ibi táwọn èèyàn fojú sí ọ̀nà ò fẹ́ gbabẹ̀. Ó ṣeé ṣe kí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí fẹ́ jálé orí nurse Fèyíṣayọ̀ Ògèdèngbé tó gún mohbad lábẹ́rẹ́. Ṣó ṣeé ṣe kó jẹ́ pé nọ́ọ̀sì Ògèdèngbé yìí nìkan ló máa forí kó ohun gbogbo tó wà ńlẹ̀. Ẹ ní láti gbọ́ ohun tí lọ́ọ̀yà tó ń dìfẹ́ǹdì Sam Larry àti Naira Marley sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mohbad àti Sam Larry bí wọ́n ṣe jọ jàmàlà lẹ́yìn fídíò tẹ́ ẹ rí níbi tí Sam Larry ti fẹ́ àtáàkì mohbad. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ lórí gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n ṣe. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ lórí bí wọ́n ṣe padà lọ jàmàlà. Ó ní lọ́ngà fídíò ẹ̀ wà. Ó lóun sì máa fi lọ́ngà fídíò ẹ̀ síta bá a bá ti rí i á fi hàn yín. Àmọ́ ẹ ní láti gbọ́ ohun tí lọ́ọ̀yà yìí sọ. He spoke on the petition Mohbad wrote and how he was asked to defend it, but he could not, that he did not come around. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ lórí gbogbo bí wọ́n ṣe ní kí mohbad kó wá sọ̀rọ̀ kó wá defend petition tó kọ against Sam Larry àti Naira Marley. Ó ní kò wá. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you latest stories. Remember to like, share, and follow us. More lawyers will be needed on this case. So, lawyer tó wá máa defend ikú mohbad gbọ́dọ̀ gbóná bí ajere. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ tó bá ṣe é ṣe. Àwọn tó ń fẹ́ true justice kan wá àwọn lawyer sí tí wọ́n máa tún pẹ̀lú lawyer tó bá ń defend kéèsì ikú mohbad. Nítorí lawyer tó ń defend àwọn Naira Marley àti Sam Larry yìí ó gbóná díẹ̀ o, nítorí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ti tún wá ń sọ. Ẹ̀yin náà máa fi ti ara yín gbọ́. Ẹ rí ibi tó ń ti ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lọ báyìí. Ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo ohun tó sọ nípa bí mohbad àti Sam Larry àti gbogbo wọn bí wọ́n ṣe papà lọ jàmàlà lẹ́yìn attack tá a rí nínú fídíò lọ́jọ́ yẹn. Nígbà tẹ́yin náà bá gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ bá rò, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́. Ẹ̀yin náà á mọ ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí fẹ́ bá jáde. Ṣé mọ̀ pé bọ́rọ̀ bá ti dọ̀rọ̀ lé ẹjọ́, kò sẹ́ni tó máa mọ ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ máa ń yí sí. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ lé ẹjọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ evidence ni. Àmọ́ síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ béèyàn bá yàn jàmàlà kò túmọ̀ sí wípé èèyàn lè ṣekú pànìyàn. Àmọ́ ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí lọ́ọ̀yà yìí sọ kẹ́ wá jẹ́ ká mọ èrò yín nípa ohun tó sọ. Let's listen to the lawyer.
As for Naira Marley, I believe very strongly that no matter how hard you look, you will not find a single incident where Naira Marley bullied him. Now, as for Sam Larry, what I understand, speaking to his lawyers and speaking to him directly, is that on that fateful day, I think it was sometime in June 2023, I think he came to Elegushi beach for something else. And then, as soon as he walked into that scene, where I think they told him that some people are shooting, some musicians are shooting a video somewhere around the beach. So, of course, being somebody who is involved in promoting music and all that, he wanted to know who and who were involved in that activity. So, he went there. So, as soon as he got in there, now to confirm that he did not know that it was mohbad, you remember that if you look at that video, the first thing that came out of his mouth was, it was here, it's even yourself. That was the first thing he said, to show that he didn't even know the person that was there. So, it's even this one that is here, self. You will not go home today. Oh, Lord, you know. Immediately said that you observed as Zlatan got up and tried to stop him from approaching mohbad. Now, and that video is a 9-second video. That if it will interest you to know, there is a longer version of that video. That longer version, yes, I will send that to you. I will send these materials to you. That longer version of that video shows these guys eating amala together shortly after that incident. Let us go to mohbad's petition before the police in Alagbon, right? If you have seen that petition, he made very strong allegations. One of the allegations he made in that petition was that the equipment, right, that was to be used for recording that very video shoot was destroyed by Sam Larry and his boys in that incident, and that equipment cost 5 million naira. He further alleged that there was an 8 million naira that he paid you know, for the purpose of the entire shooting activities and all that, blah, blah, blah. So now the question would be that if a video, the equipment for shooting the video rather, was vandalized by Sam Larry and his boys, according to you, you will be unable to carry out that activity that day, at least, Abi? Now, it will shock you to know that that video was shot on that day. They completed the shooting on that day, sir. And they have since rolled out that video, right? And have been making commercial benefit from it. The same video that he said equipment to make the video were vandalized. Now, he said he paid 8 million. We said, okay, no problem. Bring the account to which you paid 8 million. Or was it cash? Name the person you gave the money to. These were the issues that arose in Alagbon when the police called him to come and to interrogate him. Which is okay, come and substantiate your petition. Do you know that Sam Larry went to Alagbon 3 times? Alagbon they invited him 3 times. He went there 3 times. He wrote a statement. And when on the 3rd occasion, after inviting mohbad to come and substantiate the petition and he didn't come, Sam Larry's lawyer was forced to then do a counter petition alleging that mohbad made false accusation to the police.
tó òun lẹ ti gbọ́ báyìí o, ibo lẹ wá rò pọ́rọ̀ yìí máa já sí báyìí pẹ̀lú ohun gbogbo tí lọ́ọ̀yà kà sílẹ̀. Gbogbo ohun tẹ́ ẹ bá rò ẹ send ẹ sí comment section. Drop your comment. Remember to like, share and follow us. This is DIGINAIJA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.